Hello Rita. This video is for you and Sharish. I'm going to explain to both of you why I need these profiles done so you have a better understanding, and then you'll understand why it's important that you do these. So I do profiles for two reasons. One is for backlinks, and the other is for citations. I'm going to go ahead and take a second right now to show you what a citation is. I'm just going to move this over to the center so that you can see it. Now, a citation is an NAP. NAP stands for name, address, phone number, or NAP, name, address, phone. So I'm going to go ahead and show you how to list this and what it means when you do. So the name of the company that I'm going to use as an example is Sparkling Clear Pool Care. Now I'm going to write it exactly the same each time. The reason for that is because citation consistency is important. This is a way that Google verifies your business and chooses you to rank higher in the search result. For example, if you have 9 citations on the web that Google can find, and a competitor that ranks almost as well as you has 6, and all yours, I'm sorry, the car was going by, and all yours are exactly the same or consistent. That's what they're referring to as citation consistency. All the NAPs are exactly the same, then Google will choose you. So first you write the name, Sparkling Clear Pool Care, 3694 23rd Avenue South. City is Lake Worth. Now notice how I'm writing this. It's always going to be exactly the same. This is going to be Suite 10. Then the phone number is going to be next. So when I'm asking you guys to build these profiles, you're going to be doing two things that benefit me from these profiles. I never expect anybody to actually go to the profile. I'm just using these profiles to optimize my websites. And I think that if you guys understand that, you'll better be able to help me. So name, address, phone number. This is a citation. This is one of the things that are most important. One of the two things that I'm focusing on when asking you to build profiles for me. Name, address, phone number. So each time when you build a profile for me, make sure that you include the name and the address, the phone number, and you write it exactly the same each time. Now let me go on and talk about the second thing that's important. That's going to be backlinks. A lot of people call them backlinks, inbound links, outbound links. I like to refer to them as inbound links because we're placing them on a different site and we are linking from that site inbound to our site. I think I'll use that as a form of communication. Inbound will be from a site to our site, outbound will be from our site to another site, leaving, so outbound. Now I'm going to do www.poolatwork in this search query. This is a tool that allows us to check a site to see how many backlinks it has. Now these are going to be links from a site to our site. Let's check www.poolatwork.com. Okay. I bought this one, so it has a lot. This is a bad example. I'm going to go ahead and show you a different one. You can see that this is a site I bought, a domain that I bought, and it has 1,000 backlinks that were on there before I purchased it from a small weak blog with a domain rating of 20, but that's fine. Then you can see one here is from Boynton Beach Pool Cleaners, actually two, with a higher domain rating of 37. And I'm going to go ahead and use a different example so I can show you exactly what I'm talking about. And I'll give you access to log into my account. It actually just caused me to have to click out right now to sign out. I'm going to have to sign in again. I'm going to pause it for a second while I re-sign in. Okay, I'm back. I said to re-sign in. I'll give you guys the information so that you can use my Ahrefs account. I went ahead and searched PBG Pool Service, which is one of my sites. You guys, neither one of you did this. This was done by a different guy, but I believe he had issues also because they're not showing. Only the backlink work that I've done is showing. Now, the total number of links are 3. It calls them backlinks on its site. 3 of them are live. The referring domains are where they came from. So these are showing where they were outbound from. Okay, so we have 2. They're from Boynton Beach Pool Cleaners, 2 of them, and there's 2 sites that are referring. They're both mine. One's poolserviceboyntonbeach.com, one's boyntonbeachpoolcleaners.com. Now, we can look at each link and see exactly where they came from, but we really don't need to do that. If you guys are having trouble though when you're building it, you would want to go to this, click on the backlink area so it shows the referring domains, and this is going to show you exactly where the link came from so that you can duplicate that when you're building the profile. Now this is just going to show the page that it's on, or actually that it's 2. Let's go ahead and go here. Okay, so this links out from here. I'm not sure exactly where it's at, it's just showing the page. And it links to PBG Pool Service. So when you're doing a site, you can use this tool, but I really wouldn't focus on that. I've already used this tool when giving you your list of profiles, so if you make sure that you put a domain listed and it's hyperlinked in the profile, you won't have an issue. This will come up. Now, Rita, this is to you. I'm going to go ahead and show you that I found one of the examples where you made a mistake. I know you did Pool Clean USA at poolwork.com, poolatwork.com. Let's go to Yelp, Pool Clean USA. Okay, there it is, Pool Clean USA, West Palm Beach. It's the phone number, everything is right. Now, if you go to see where the name, address, phone number is, the phone number is wrong in the listing, so we need to fix that because it was a 354 number. We need to claim the business, so the business hasn't been claimed. Brooklyn USA is going to be the name was Eric Bethel that we're using. So this is some of the work I have to go through because it wasn't complete when I came in. I'm going to go first 1, 2, 3, 4, the same password we've been using. I'm going to have somebody send me the code now. This will give us the ability to change and make sure that the domain is in there, and it will work as a backlink or an inbound link. So again, there's two things that I want you to focus on these profiles. Now, building a profile does nothing valuable for us unless you're doing these two things. And if you can't do them both, make sure you get one or the other. Those two things are citations, the name, the address, the phone number, written exactly the same each time. The second one is a inbound link, a link that you're placing on a profile that has a high domain authority, which I've already checked. I'm already aware that all of the profiles that I'm giving you do have the ability to have an inbound link placed on them. You're going to place that link, and I will be able to check it and see it on the SEO tool, and it will help us rank the site, which is the reason why we're doing it. Let me just get through all this stuff. I'm trying to get back to the profile now. Give me just a second. Trying to business. This site's really trying hard to sell us stuff. Okay, there's Pool Clean USA. So the phone number is wrong, and there's no website. So here's where the website goes. This will become an inbound link. poolatwork.com. And this is all you're trying to complete on this site. So the phone number was wrong. We're going to change that. That's the correct phone number. The name is correct, Pool Clean USA. So here's the name, in. Here's the phone, which is P. And let's check the address to make sure that we have that correct. The address is not on there, so we're going to need to put the address on there. We'll have to go to the profile and look that up because I'm not sure. I'm just going to leave it blank for now. But that's not, this site would not be done correctly if I left that blank. I'm not sure